My epic BBQ Tower! Oh man, we'll get to the tower part in a bit, but first let's get to the meat. Starting with the kielbasa, and then of course, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
I see 'em.
Love it in a barbecue, right? You can do these low and slow, they take out so much flavor, so much smoke. They're delicious. We're gonna rub it in my barbecue chip dust, my BCD. It's very famous. People love it. It's got all that smoky sweetness. It tastes like the, you know, the end of a bag of barbecue chips that we love. Oh, you're getting in there with their hands. She said, I don't need tongs.
So it's a rub, right?
It is a rub.
You can't rub with tongs.
I love a chicken thigh.
Don't you really? It's really, I call it the bacon of the sky because it's got all that fat, tenderness that we love about bacon.
The sky?
Yeah, because the bird.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken, kind of flies. They take off and they just, all right?
Tell us about the kielbasa.
Kielbasa, Polish sausage. Sonny, while you're washing your hands, you can just put that in the fridge. We're gonna marinate that overnight.
Okay.
Of 24 hours, really get it barbecuey. Now the kielbasa, I found me some fresh kielbasa. A lot of kielbasa comes, right? It's already pre-smoked, it's cooked, right? It's got a lot of great smoky flavor. For this application, I want the fat in there, the unrendered raw fat. And that's what we're found, so we got some good, fresh kielbasa. I got a wooden dowel, okay? Now hear me out. This is the first step for indoor oven smoking. All right, so you're gonna take one of that links right where they're connected and hang it like
that's
that.
so sophisticated.
Sort of in the middle.
It's arts and crafts sausage.
Yep, this is about as artsy and craftsy as you're gonna see me get because it involves the sausage.
I like this.
And that's all we're gonna do. You got a lot of that great fat in here. Where's that fat gonna go?
On top of the chicken. On top of the chicken.
We're gonna smoke and we're gonna drip.
Oh, that's
Speaking of
brilliant.
smoke, I got a ripping hot, small cast iron skillet here. It takes a lot of heat. We got some wood chips. You can use oak. This is hickory. You can use applewood, whatever you have laying around. No need to pre-soak or anything. We want this kind of instantly starting to smoke in that hot pan. I'll help bolster it a little bit and add a little zhuzh to it. About a little half of that. We can always add in more if it gets a little too dehydrated in the oven. And just a couple tablespoons of that olive oil. Meanwhile, let's smoke some sausage. shall we?
Okay.
I'm gonna take this.
It's heavy, you got it?
Yep, let's, why don't you open the oven for me real quick?
Done.
All right, so in here, I have 2 binder clips. Okay, we're gonna put our chicken right on the ground there. We got this wooden dowel, and it's gonna fit gently into this clip, just like that. Grab a towel and just grab that. It's gonna go right up top there, and then you slide it down, just like that. And then you can do the other side, super easy. And it's gonna hang. Now, because we got them on these clips, we can slide the sausage back right over that. Sonny, can you grab me the wood and those dowels right there? You'll see what I'll do with the dowels. Look at this pre-smoking wood. What we're gonna do is throw that kind of in the back there. We can slide that over. So we got the smoke penetrating fully. We'll take that guy out. And right before, watch this, we got these sharp wooden dowels. Just prick them a couple times in each sausage, and that's gonna help the smoke penetrate inside the sausage and also let that fat render and drip into our barbecue chicken. We close it up, 325 an hour, about an hour and 15. You can temp the sausage, you can temp the chicken. Chicken 160, 165, sausage same. Are you ready for the big unveiling?
Yes.
I'm so
Bring it.
Indoor smoker, you smell the smoke in the air.
Yes.
Nothing gets me salivated more than that.
Oh!
That's a sight
just
for
cool.
sore
Oh,
eyes.
all right, I'm gonna pull that dowel off, up, and the sausages, it's okay if they fall, especially during the cook. That means you're getting everything tender, everything rendered, everything perfect. I'm gonna bring it all here.
I got the door, Jeff.
Oh, thanks a lot, guy.
This is really, really
That's a lot of food, guys.
Yeah.
All right, I'll put this right here. But
One of
look
my
at
favorite
that.
sausages,
Come on,
kielbasa.
snack.
I mean,
One of my
kielbasa, when properly smoked, and that's why we suspended it, and didn't just like put it in there.
My mouth is watering.
It gives you that hot link vibe. They get that crinkled smoke look, and it's just so infused with smoke and
Snap.
flavor.
Snap.
And look at this. Remember that barbecue chip dust we put on there? A little bit of that stock. We created almost our own sauce. Sonny, I'm gonna hand this to you.
What am I gonna do? Chop it up?
No, man, just pull it as good as you can. Almost like our pulled pork, right?
Okay.
Give you the essence, mouthfeel, texture of pulled pork without having to cook something for 14 to 18 hours. And then we cut these babies on the sharp bias. But look at that.
Beautiful.
Right there, beautiful. We're gonna fill this bowl. Put that all in that bowl for me, Sonny.
Done.
You know what's great about that? I think it's better than grilling because there's air all around, heat, gentle. It lets this grease off gently, and it doesn't flare up. So sometimes you get that flare in the grill, and you get that burnt, crisp outside. It's not good.
Oh, so good.
Look how moist it is inside.
Get a little bit of a coloration there from the
beautiful.
smoke.
I like the way you chose 2 kinds of meat and they each made the other better. Is there gonna be any left?
That is the best. That is the best sausage I've ever had. It is. You guys just try one. Just try one. Sorry,
Get
I know
in
where
there.
I'm going rogue here.
Yeah, we know you.
It tastes like. It tastes like bacon.
Oh my gosh,
Taste.
the crunch on the outside.
Oh my God.
Slide it down, though, guys. Enough. Jeez.
It's so
I
soft.
need a little mustard.
Hold on.
Careful.
That's gonna give a little bit of a.
Oh
little bit of
yeah.
extra love there. That's sausage drippings.
I'm gonna pass.
Follow me to the
Do
epic
this.
BBQ Tower I have been touting this whole time. We're gonna put some veggies on top there, just like that. Beautiful.
Gorge.
We got our sausage in the bowl there. We got our chicken, our smoked chicken. Of course, we got some
Bacon.
candy bacon. Right
Bacon.
here. We need a dipping sauce.
Oh, yeah.
For barbecue.
Yeah.
And that is barbecue sauce tower.
Stop it.
Just
You're
like-
kidding me. Oh, that's fantastic.
And if that wasn't enough, let me conjure up something special here.
Oh my God. I was so happy with
There you go. It's the smoke of the meat smoke.
Oh
Come
my
on. It's my
gosh.
favorite smell in the world, meat
I
smoke.
think we got a slow clap. on this
Just.
one.
Wow.